Wondering what coding jobs will look like in 2025? With AI rewriting the rules and automation changing the game, the tech world is shifting fast. But guess what? Opportunity is everywhere. Today, we are exploring the future of work in coding, what skills you need, which jobs are booming, and how to get ahead in the exciting AI powered era. The world of tech is transforming before our eyes. AI and automation aren't just buzzwords anymore, they are redefining how entire industries operate. Yes, some traditional roles may fade, but the bigger picture, new roles are exploding. New challenges, new innovations, new careers. Whether you're just starting out or thinking of upskilling, understand this dynamic is your first step towards future proofing your career. Writing clean, efficient code still important, but in 2025 it's not enough. Tech companies are looking for well rounded problem solvers, people who can think critically, communicate clearly, and work across teams. Expect to collaborate with product managers, data analysts, and even AI systems. Flexibility, curiosity, and drive to keep learning. Those are your superpowers now. Let's talk about where the real growth is happening. In demand fields include AI and machine learning, cybersecurity, data science and analytics, cloud computing, DevOps, and automation. Want to go even deeper? Explore niche areas like AI in healthcare, blockchain for supply chain, or ethical hacking. These specializations don't just pay well, they are future proof. In a fast changing market, how you present yourself matters. Build a standout GitHub portfolio. Stay active on LinkedIn. Share projects, comment on trends, and connect with hiring managers. Attend hackathons, virtual meetups, and tech conferences. Networking is real currency in tech. Consider certifications in cloud platforms, cybersecurity, or AI frameworks. They help you stand out fast. The future of coding isn't bleak, it's booming. Yes, the rules are changing, but if you embrace that change, build new skills, and lean into emerging technologies, you're not just surviving, you're thriving. Think of 2025 not as the end of traditional coding, but the beginning of more creative, connected, AI augmented coding careers. If you are ready to step into the future of tech, start now. Learn, network, build, and most importantly, stay adaptable. Your dream job in coding is out there, and in 2025, it's smarter, faster, and more exciting than ever. Drop a comment below. What tech roles are you aiming for? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join our growing community of future ready developers.